my name is John.
And I'm Mika.
And we're the owner of the 721 2D Cafe. Well, originally, kung nasaan itong cafe, ito kasi isang music studio before. And then, nung in-offer nung mother ko at nung cousin ko yung idea na magtayo ng milk tea shop, sabi namin, kung pwede siguro na i-try namin na magkaroon din ng milk tea shop. At the same time, yung pangarap namin na magkaroon ng sariling cafe. Kailangan unique, sabi namin. Kaya nag-survey kami, tanong kami sa mga kabataan, like sa daughter namin, patok daw yung concept namin na ito na 2D. Na ang origin talaga ay...
It's from Korea.
Yeah, from South Korea.
South Korea.
Sa Cavite City, wala pa yung 2D na concept. So sabi namin, kung marami yung mga, lalo yung kabataan na mahilig sa K-pop or K-drama, siguro papatok ito kung yun yung gagawin namin concept. And gano'n na nga, ito yung ginawa naming concept, which is the 2D, na kung saan, as you can see sa background, black and white lang siya. And sabi namin maganda kasi whenever customers whenever napapasok sila yung parang magiging focal point.
Sila yung magbibigay color sa cafe.
Kung makikita ninyo, meron pa ring touch of music kasi merong guitar na nakahang dyan, which is by the way inspired by the movie Coco. May malaking nakalagay na music dyan. The reason is because the bread and butter of the family is the music studio. And it's already running ng how many years na ba? 13 years yung music studio na nagtuturo kami sa mga kids. And in mind na maganda talaga yung fusion ng music and food. Na alam namin na talagang magugustuhan ng maraming tao. So gusto namin iparating sa maraming tao na hindi lang sila mag-e-enjoy dito sa drinks nila and eventually food. Ma-enjoy rin nila yung music, which is yun nga, incorporated sa aming music studio. Hi everyone! We'd like to invite you to the first ever 2D Cafe here in Cavite City. We are located at 721 P. Esteban Street. So the name of the 2D Cafe is 721 2D Cafe. And if you like affordable and delicious drinks like milk tea, coffee over ice, you can have it here. Frap also. You can visit us and you can also like our page at Facebook, 721 2D Cafe. So again, we're inviting everyone to come visit us here at 721 2D Cafe.
See you soon!
See you soon!